lovies, welcome back to my channel. I have like a multi kind of haul, but they're little things in each thing. I got some Five Below, I got some Dollar Tree, and I got some Michaels because one of you awesome lovies texted me after they saw my Monday video of Document My Life, and they were like, Missy, you do know like the paper pad and stuff that you showed this week is on sale for Hot Buys for like $4 something. Plus there's a 20% off coupon of your entire purchase, including sale items. And I was like, no, there's not. And she's like, yes, there is. And I was like, okay, I'm on my way. And that's exactly where I went. So I got some fun things from Michaels. I got a little bit of everything, including my favorite drink from Starbucks. Does anybody else get these? Oh, the pink vent, I think it's venti or something like that, pink drink. Oh, these things are delicious. So I'm sipping while I talk. So real quick, my sister actually picked this up for me, and I think this is the coolest thing. So in the evenings, we like to watch YouTube, of course. And in one of our favorite video people, which I think her name is Fairyland Cottage or something like that. Yes, I think it's Fairyland Cottage. She used one of these in the beginning of opening of her like scenes, and we're like, that is the coolest thing I've ever seen. So isn't this pretty? This is Five Below, and what this is an incense burner box. I think I have it upside down. Yeah, so it came with incense. We already tried it out. So you light the incense, you shake it out, and it begins to smoke, and you put it over the little metal holes, and then you close the box, and then all the incense comes through these holes. It is beautiful, and it smells so good. They had all different kinds of scents, but she chose lemongrass, and oh my goodness, does it smell awesome. So she got me this. I was super stoked because when I saw it in Fairyland Cottage, I was like, oh my God, that is the coolest thing. I want an incense burning box. And then she went to Five Below to get something for herself. I think I forget, jewelry or something like that. And she saw these sitting on the rack. And she's like, Missy, you're never going to believe it. So thank you, my sister. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys because I love this. I think this is so stinking cool. So that is my little incense burner from Five Below. Then I went to Dollar Tree, of course. I got this white mat down here. My daughter and I are going to put together like a chore chart for her homeschooling. I might go back and get another one just for my desk because I like the white background. And it'll also protect my desk when I use hot glue and things like that because I always seem to get hot glue everywhere. And my daughter needed a new notebook to be able to do some of her schoolwork. She loved this one with all the little diamonds and the hearts and the shapes. And then what I thought was really nice too is in the back, they had the table of measure, multiplication table, metric conversion table, and even like a little ruler. I thought that was really, really cool because this is a great way to do your, like to teach them like cubic measurements, dry measurements, liquid measurements. I just thought this was really, really cool that they had that in the back of this little notebook for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And she loved the print. And then also from the Dollar Tree, I got some new floral because in today's video, today is Friday, so the upload that went up today is my wreaths. I made a Mardi Gras wreath and my very first hoop ring wreath. I even snuck in my bestie's hoop ring wreath, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. But it got me in the mood for making wreaths. So of course I went on Pinterest and I found the coolest wreaths ever. Oh my God, these wreaths are so freaking cool. I cannot wait to show them to you. I am making them over this weekend. So hopefully that'll be like Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday's video. But oh my gosh, these are the coolest wreaths. I don't even want to tell you what they are. I'm going to name them. I'm going to come up with my own little name for them and stuff. I can't wait to show you these. These are the coolest wreaths. So of course I needed new floral. So I got these pretty cattails. These ones are wild daisies. More cattails. And then I also got one of the, what are these? Lilacs. So I got these floral, which I think are super, super beautiful. Then, I think that's it, right? Yeah. Okay, then I also got these stickers. They're just 396 star stickers from Jot because we're going to use these on her chore chart. I got these awesome little mushrooms. These are the cutest things. And of course, I am not using these for fairy gardens. These are going on my wreath. That's right. I got the coolest wreath plans. I'm so excited about it. I got some succulents. This particular DT that I went to had really nice selection of succulents. I could have went crazy with these because I was like, ooh, I could make a succulent wreath too, but that'll be another time. I just picked these two up. I really, really like them. And I think this is looking more black on camera, but it's actually a really pretty purpley color. And then there's one more thing in this bag. Yes, I got this little fairy crossing sign with the little bird. Isn't that adorable? The fairy stuff this year from DT is super, super, super cute. So it was just a little trip. I didn't get much from the Dollar Tree. The only thing I was really upset with is I wanted a willow wreath, and they only had the white willow wreaths. I wanted the branch, like dark willow wreath. So I have to go to another DT to find that. But with that, okay, we'll move on to my Michaels haul, which again is small, so I'm just sharing all this stuff with you. These were on sale for, oh my goodness, 40% off. So I think this was $10.99 with 40% off. This I love. This is watercolor paper, if you will. This is a beautiful notebook. You can do other things in here. Of course, you can use colored pencils or markers because like the Tombows, you can watercolor with Tombows as well. So this is great for all of that kind of stuff, stamping, and of course, watercolor. So then you get, it says here, you get 20 more sheets free. So these are great little pads. And like I said, this was 40% off. I felt like everything at Michael's today was like on sale. All of their beads were, yeah, so I think these were 40% off. And, what was I saying? Oh, all of their stringed beads were 40% off. These aren't really considered beads, but because they're strung, they had to give them to me for that. But they are, like gems or crystals, if you will. I needed these for an upcoming project, but I loved these. Aren't these cool? Look at these. These are so stinking cool. They're beautiful. I love these. And they say they are a genuine stone. So, but they're beautiful. Love them. Then I got pink, if you will, crystals. They look like crystals. I'm sure they're not real or anything like that. They're probably just glass, but they're really, really pretty. And then I also got another color in here. I got purple. Look how pretty those are. Look at the tips of those. Very, very pretty. Love you. They say this says it's a genuine stone too. So I got those 3. I also needed some of these. These took me forever to find. I kept going there to Michael's and going, you know, I need the things that go in the holes after you punch a hole in them and you use the chomper and it bends them, you know. And I kept saying brads. No wonder why they couldn't help me. They're eyelets. So I got some eyelets for some upcoming projects. There's 25 in here, and they're from Recollections. These took me like 3 trips to find because I honestly could not think of the name of what they were. I was so happy to find those. I wish they would have other colors though. Like I would have loved to got these like in teal or pink and white, but they only had white today. I also needed chain, if you will. They call this necklaces, but I just needed this chain. This is also going to be used on an upcoming project. I'm not making jewelry. I'm doing something completely different with that, but I needed it. I also needed some sealing wax. I can't wait to use this in another upcoming project of mine. So excited about this. This also took me a while to find because this is something that I don't normally purchase. Like I don't normally purchase eyelets and things like that. So finding where they keep this stuff in Michael's, like it took me on a hunt for like I didn't know where to go. Because my direct path in Michael's is always the paper crafting, stickers, you know, paper books and watercolors and paints and all that kind of stuff. So to go outside of those aisles, I'm like completely lost. But this is in gold. I'm super excited to use these. And then if you guys watched my Monday vlog, document my life video, then you probably saw me do a flip through of this, and I wanted this really, really bad, but it was $19.99 and I was not paying $19.99 for a paper pad. But thanks to you, Lovie, you told me it was on sale, and it sure was. And then I got an additional 25% off my entire purchase, including sale items. So in the end, this ended up probably being like $3, 3 something. That's more my style. It's always worth waiting for the sales. But this pad is gorgeous. So let me get a pair of scissors really, really quick to cut the tape part of this off. And let me show you the beautifulness of this pad. This was totally worth waiting for on sale. And no matter how beautiful this was, and I really, really, really wanted this, it wouldn't have been worth the $19.99 that they wanted for it. But look at this. Gorge. Gorge, gorge, gorge. And I imagine there's 2 or 3 pages of each. Yeah. Look at this. Mushrooms. If anybody knows me, they know I love mushrooms. I love everything nature. I'm telling you, just like I said when I showed this the first time in my vlog, this is like a nature journaler's dream pad, because oh my goodness, look at this. I love it. Grow with seasons. This is gorgeous. I love this pad. Look at this. Wood grain with the beautiful moths. Ah! Love it. I love the teal. Love the teal with all the different mushrooms. I am obsessed with this. Pink wood grain. This is going to be a beautiful paper pad. Here's beautiful moths with the backdrop of teal. Love teal. Look at this one. This is so pretty. Oh my God, I love it. Look at this one, guys. OMG. OMG. I'm like totally flipping out over here. I love this pad. Look at this. Dreams come true. Happy blooms within. Oh my God, I love this. Fly high. But I love it. The moss. I love all this. I love it. This is really pretty. These are like, no, they are their butterflies. They look like flowers, but they are their butterflies. Here's foiled butterflies. Look at this page. Oh, gorgeous. I'm trying to go fast, guys. Let's see. Okay. Look at this. Mushrooms with a pink background. This one is like, it's like a rose gold. It's not gold. It's like a rose gold foiled birds on a deep, deep blue, like navy blue. These are butterflies. I hope the prints are showing up. Oh, I'm grabbing way too many papers here. Ooh, sorry, guys. Okay. Teal wood tree. Look at this one. The mushrooms. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed. Look at this. Ombre. Pink with gold foiled butterflies. Look at this one. I love these. Oh my gosh. I love mushrooms. Love them. Look at this paper pad. Now this has mushrooms and like the underside of the bird. So cool. Look at this. I'm going to frame that. I swear to God to you, I'm going to put that in a frame and hang that in my house. I absolutely love that. That's just gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And that's it. That's the end of the book. I would love if I had another book big enough, that would be the cover. Yes, yes, yes. So this particular pad is called Woodland and Wings. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. There's 48 sheets in this. So that is my small little haul that I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm super excited about this new wreath that I'm getting ready to make. I cannot wait to show it to you. It's so stinking cute, and it's going to be a Pinterest recreate. I am so excited to show it to you. Pinterest is like my best friend. I never really talk about Pinterest here on my channel. Maybe I should link it. If you guys are ever interested in checking out my Pinterest, oh my God, I think it's not an over-exaggeration when I say I have like 70 boards. No lie. And like a million pins. So I'll try to remember to link my Pinterest down below if you guys are interested. But this new wreath I'm making is a Pinterest recreate, and I am super, super stoked about it. So I'm going to quit blabbing. Thanks so much for joining me today for my quick little multi-store haul. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, because I believe this is going to post Saturday or Sunday. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your family. Craft, craft, craft. Get ready for spring. I am so excited for spring. I know we're not even in February yet, but I already have spring fever. So excited. But anyways, guys, always do what you love. Take care of you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.